finally got back in the shop, but it's like really loud in here because I got a swamp cooler going because it's going to be like 110 today. Got the CNC going. I got an order to build 10 of these resin maps that I made, and I'm trying to do all I can do all at one time, but I can't. You know what? I'll get back to you in a second. So as I was saying, now everything's shut off. I got to build all those resin wall maps, and I got to build 5 like that. So I've been kind of busy. So I haven't posted a video in a while, and I've been on the road doing road projects like shiplap walls and built-in barbecues. So this video is going to be about a shiplap wall. So I'm trying a new camera because my old camera, the audio is getting so bad, I'm going to have to narrate the whole thing. So the whole project started with my daughter saying, "Can you build this shiplap wall in the nursery so I can put this sign on it?" And so I went to the HD and the OC and got some shiplap and painted it blue. Made a big stack. And since this project's upstairs, I made all my measurements, found all my studs, made some more measurements, made all my cuts first so I wouldn't have to walk up and down stairs. First thing I did was wrap out the window with some 1x so I could have flush cuts right up against the window without exposing the end of the shiplap. I will nail all the shiplap. I don't glue, just in case you want to take it off someday. I always cut the end first, make sure I have a square end, then come back, take the measurement, and cut it to length. Made my cuts for my plugs. Pretty much cut every piece, and the piece to go around the window. And waited for the young guy for the next day. He has a regular job, so we could only do this in the evening. And I finished it up the next day while he was at his regular job. Young guy's got a really nice Makita track saw. I think I need one. I used the chop saw and the track saw and a jigsaw to make the notches in the window stool. This pounding instrument that I've had this for just about nearly my lifetime, and it comes in very handy. Wrap the window with some molding. Give it a nice finished look, hide all the bad edges. And added an apron to the window stool. Molding all done. And then I'll finish with a little paint. Gee, I wonder why my audio is bad. Well, this is the part where I say, we're all done, and all we got to do is hang this up here. And no, we're not part of this family. That's the little guy's middle name. Crib still goes here, and we got to put a baby in it, but that's a couple weeks away. Then I explain how you need to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week in our next video. So that's it for the shiplap wall. If you like what you see here on the channel, like and subscribe. So stick around for our next video, which is probably going to be a built-in barbecue. See you soon.